everybody, hope you're well. This is Sadavasan. Welcome back. I'm going to show you today how you can create bigger and plump lips. I don't normally like kind of fake looking lips, but if you got really slim lips, then I would give you some kind of tips and tricks so that you can make your lips look kind of bigger and plump, but at the same time your lips would look natural. So without further ado, let's start. First of all, you have to prep your lips. What you need to do, you can use moisturizing cream, oil, Vaseline. I have got this photo finish oil from Smashbox. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take 1 drop of oil. I'm going to moisturize my lips first. You will apply moisturizing cream or oil on your lips. What will happen? Your lipstick application will be more smoother and easy. For this kind of lip application, it is necessary for you to apply 2 types of lip liners. So for this, you have to make sure that your lips are smooth and soft. It is ready for your lip application. So my lips are smooth now, it's not dry. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to take this Ilamascar darkest brown lip liner, and the second is the light lip liner, light brown, and this is dark brown. With the light brown pencil, I'm going to overline Cupid's bow. So now I'm going to overline bottom lip. When you reach to this point, you have to follow the natural lip shape. Don't overline side of your lips. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to follow the lip shape. Now I'm going to grab this darkest brown lip liner. I'm going to follow my own lip line. Now this is the darkest brown lip liner. Now I'm going to apply the lipstick, liquid lipstick on my lips. Guys, at this point your lips will look bigger, but they won't look plumper or fuller. If you want to give plumper or fuller lips effect, then I would suggest you apply lip gloss. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this MAC lip gloss and I'm going to apply it to the center. That's it, you guys. This is how you can create bigger, fuller and plump lips. At the same time, they are looking kind of natural bigger. I personally don't like kind of fake looking lips, so this is how I do my lips if I want my fuller, bigger and plump lip. So guys, I'm going to repeat it again. So keep the both sides matte and the center of your lips should be glossy. It will give you illusion of bigger, fuller and plump lip. If you will repeat my technique, please don't forget to tag me. I would love to see your recreation, and also let me know in the comment section below that if you're liking my tips and tricks or not. If you're liking my tips and tricks, then I would love to make more videos for you guys. I would see you in my next video. Bye bye.